Welcome back, folks. Today we will be exploring more awesome gadgets that you can buy online. From smart security camera to sci-fi chargers, we will dive into the future of tech and see what it beholds. Chovery. Say goodbye to dirty windows with the Chovery window cleaner robot. With microfiber pads and a super suction power, it autonomously cleans and efficiently covers 10 square feet every 3 minutes, making it a handy assistant for your window cleaning needs. Make your life easier with this amazing gadget. Experience the Harman, a marvel of engineering with 17-in-1 ports, including HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, and wireless charging. It boasts RGB lighting for a rainbow of colors and functions as a UPS battery backup, creating a tidy smart hub. The Harman stand offers an ergonomic reading light and sleek design, revolutionizing your workspace. Electric pepper grinder. Enhance your kitchen with this electric pepper grinder featuring fast charging technology, allowing it to fully charge in just 1 hour. With an adjustable coarseness knob and a durable stainless steel drive shaft, it ensures precise and desired granular sizes every time. Say goodbye to sheet-changing struggles with Easy Maker. This air-powered tool lifts your mattress effortlessly, simplifying the task. Attach the balloon, pump, change sheets, and deflate with the remote. Impress friends by transforming your bed like magic. Compatible with various bed sizes, Easy Maker eliminates the hassle from bed making. Introducing the COALAX Warming Pad. Wave goodbye to icy hands outdoors. It warms up in 3 seconds, offering 3 temperature. 37, 45, 52 degrees Celsius for 14 hours on a single charge. Weighing just 720 grams, it's insulated with a handy strap system for fishing or hunting. Keep your phone warm too in its pocket. Get it for $100 and love winter adventures. Novi Security. This comprehensive home security kit includes an HD cam, motion sensor and smoke detector, all working together to detect suspicious activity and provide early fire warnings. The Novi app enhances your control and monitoring capabilities, making it a suitable choice for safeguarding your property and loved ones. The Spring Doorstop. Meet the ultimate doorstop solution designed to fit any household surface. Compatible with doors up to 6.5 centimeters thick, this reinforced plastic wonder gently holds even fragile glass doors. Easy to install on parquet, tile or linoleum, it offers unrivaled convenience at just $16. It's a must-have item for every home. Pre-order it in Kickstarter. Embrace the night with Duo Vox. A night vision monocular capturing color images and videos in extremely low light. It sees up to 500 meters away, streams via built-in Wi-Fi, and is perfect for nighttime escapades. Its compact design ensures memorable adventures with clarity and style. Experience cleaning with Dayu Trans Steamer. This cordless steam cleaner easily transitions from a base station to a handheld steamer. Offering various attachments, it effectively sanitizes surfaces using steam, simplifying your cleaning routine. Its modular design, quick heat-up time, and versatile attachments make it the star of any cleaning session. DoDow. Say goodbye to sleepless nights with the DoDow sleep aid device. Simply synchronize your breathing with the flashing halo of light on the ceiling and watch the magic happen. Designed to combat insomnia without medication, falling asleep now takes just 25 minutes instead of an hour, or not at all. AOHI. Astronomical charging meets style with AOHI, a space-themed wireless charger with a base station for dual device charging. Disassemble and reassemble it easily, merging function with aesthetics. Experience the cosmos' ambient lighting and a see-through coil design add a sci-fi flair, letting your inner nerd shine. 360 Fly. The 360 Fly is a rugged, water-resistant, single-lens, 360-degree camera with design improvements over the original. It captures 360 by 240-degree videos and photos without stitching, and can also shoot flat widescreen clips. The mobile app simplifies viewing, editing, sharing, and live streaming. Despite some video quality issues, it's a solid choice for immersive experiences, recorded or live. That's all, folks. Hope you enjoyed the show. Do comment which one you want the most. See you in the next one.